What's up, everyone? It's your boy Gino again from Car Fix 101. Today I'm going to show you how to replace your front brakes on your 2014 to 2017 Kia Sedona. I have the SXL. So the brake, it looks like this. And make sure you face it, I would say 2 o'clock or 1 o'clock. So that way it's easier for you to access this screw right here. This one and this one right here. So there's the 1 and 2. Okay, all right. Let's begin. Now we gotta take this bolt out, 1 and 2. Okay. Earlier I used 14 millimeter, which is this. So I used 14 millimeter. Now we're gonna use, to take this one out, it's 17 millimeter. Okay. Now we are all completely free, so we're gonna use a screwdriver to take this one out on this. So use your old brakes to press the piston back. with that. That's all the way in. Don't forget to lube this one once you're done. Lubricate inside and lubricate right here, and same thing on the other side. Yeah, that's it, and it's pretty easy. Thanks for watching.